Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the euro dollar. Now we know that the euro dollar has been rising very strongly. So let's just start with the longer term picture, right? So what we have here is the weekly, and we see that if we look to the left, we see that the euro dollar has already surpassed this resistance. It used to be a resistance where price tested once, twice, a second time, right? Euro dollar went above that, okay, and then euro dollar again once again surpassed this next resistance level. All right, and now it seems that it could very well be coming to test this resistance level. Okay, so let's just put that long-term resistance level in line. Okay, something over here, something like that. Okay, and I'll put it as a resistance. Okay, and very quickly let's go down to the daily. So what we know for sure is that price is going to push upwards, right? The momentum on the daily is very strong and it's going to carry price upwards. Here we see a possible zigzag, and we can use our Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 2, 3, open all Fibonacci ratios, especially the key ones, and you can see that this weekly resistance falls in line with the 100%. Okay, so let me just tidy it up. Okay, so it falls in line with the 100%. So I can safely say that price could very well make a push towards this level first, right? So with that, let's go down to the 4-hour and possibly even the 1-hour to look for intraday setups and opportunities. Now, on the 4-hour, this is what we have. Okay, let me just tidy this up a bit more. Okay. Okay, so on the 4-hour, we see that price just sort of made a straight push up, right? And if there's any graphical support, the only graphical support will be this level. Okay, so now we have this 4-hour support and weekly target. Okay, what I just want to point out is that should price actually come back down and break below the 4-hour support, we can expect price to go much lower. Okay, so this 4-hour support will be the key level that we're watching out for. Okay, so this 4-hour support, we can either right now just play a push up over here, or we can wait for price to come back down to the 4-hour support and then we go long. Okay, so it really depends on what you want, right? So just to find a nice entry, normally I'll go down to the 1-hour. So on the 1-hour, this is what we have here. Okay, let me just tidy it up further. Okay, on the 1-hour, this is what we have, right? It's very clear cut that this 4-hour support is a very clear support level. Okay, and we see a price made a strong push up here, so we can take a retracement of this level and this high. Okay, so let's just use the retracement, 0.1 to 0.2, open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that this 4-hour support is actually between 76.4 and 61.8, so this is a zone. Now price is definitely testing 23.6, okay, and we also see that the negative 61.8 retracement falls in line with the long-term resistance level. So we have two targets right now, this level and this entire zone here. Okay, so let's just put the levels in line. I'll put 23%, select 23%. Okay, I'll keep the 61.8. All right, and this will be the levels that I have. So I will buy from here and go towards and play all the way up to this zone here. Okay, to this zone here. All right, and of course I have an intermediate take profit at this level. All right, and this will be my buy entry. Okay, so anywhere below this level will be the stop loss. All right, and I have the two take profit levels. Partial take profit and my full take profit. All right, so it's a bit hard to see here. So for that, let's just go back to the 4-hour and we have a nicer picture. All right, and of course, because price is trending so strongly upwards, the technical indicators will be very bullish as well. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best, and please trade safely and always watch out for your risk reward management. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.